What if you could switch on a futuristic operating system and instantly activate a team of AI agents that study, build, and market a future-proof info business for you or your clients hands-free? Sounds unreal, but on a free call, you'll see how GuruOS, the first agentic operating system, clones any person or business into a coordinated team of AI agents. These agents automatically create and design full video courses and ebooks and structured portals, launch gamified AI communities that attract and warm up buyers, write sales copy and build high-converting funnel pages, run traffic and launch campaigns to bring in leads and sales. It even lets you package and sell full operating systems to clients who want to expand globally without needing to be an expert or relying on generic AI that just doesn't stand out. So save your seat below to see how newbies are using this to run $20K per month info businesses that run themselves and clone businesses into rentable operating systems for monthly fees. This one is going to max out fast. Plus, as you'll see, GuruOS is so easy to use. Step 1, the operating system learns you. Upload your content, ideas, or links, and GuruOS instantly studies your voice, experience, and style. Then your AI agents apply it automatically, so everything created feels like you or your custom brand style, not generic AI. Step 2, agents build your products. Course agents use their expertise combined with what they've learned from you to create structured, high-quality courses with clear modules and transformation paths. They also design polished video training lessons with templates, ebooks, and full learning experiences ready to sell inside free or paid cloud memberships you can easily customize and set up for students. Plus, choose to add coaching agents in a click that mentor and answer questions in memberships 24/7. Step 3, launch gamified communities. Next, choose to automatically build a dynamic gamified community around your courses where members engage and win points that can go toward prizes and coupons. Let members compete on leaderboards, win badges, and even refer others for referral points that drive automatic leads so your communities profit, not just sit there. Plus, have AI keep it active by creating and scheduling relevant content and auto-responding without you even needing to be there. Step 4, build amazing sales pages. Have marketing agents write high-converting sales copy based on time-tested formulas and turn it into landing and funnel pages ready to sell your products, complete with payment checkout too. Step 5, traffic and lead agents get sales. Finally, leverage coaching and lead agents that interact with visitors on pages to build your list, redirect to trainings, and even accept payments. And watch traffic agents create launch and traffic campaigns around all your specific products and style. Bonus step, follow the $20 million blueprint to guarantee results. Tap into the exact system behind $20 million in real launches so you're not just guessing. Just follow the proven steps to create winning info products, position them right, and launch them for maximum results based on 16 plus six-figure launches from scratch. So save your seat below. On the call, you're going to get for free the 4-step system that lets complete beginners use AI agents to build and market self-building info businesses without expertise or showing their face, based on $20 million in sales. How beginners clone businesses into operating systems that can build global brands and rent them out to clients for $2K monthly retainers. The 3 keys to having agents create products that sell and stay valuable no matter how advanced AI becomes. A free GPT that lets you predictably generate buyers by executing my battle-tested launch system behind 16 plus six-figure launches. Win cash prizes, get a free copy, and much more in a Future of Marketing webinar. So save your seat below, as there's a fixed amount of spots GoToWebinar can allow, and this one is going to be packed, judging by the attention we've already gotten. Go ahead, click the button right now, and I'll see you on the call very soon.